nigo monya kirogo gwikia magia Jubilee aiga Kenya hoibo igo kabiro mujumbe bwe bunge ya West Mugirango ya county Nyamira Vincent Kemosi igagikere korwo asabe kubyaro botukubo kirarero na gusikirwa segetaseni kya Nyamira na kubwatu kwemambia lero kurengana nerega kurweke kiabangirige siasa sateru na tariko chikwira na magega na gwikagendereria ganga yaye yokumubwate se umusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i osibo bachole bonene bogocha ukwana na baliki bamangana somo bogani yo mohime yo muchobo songo somo basolero abaraibande kurwase county ya Kisii bawo nigo bagikiria kolekyo chinguru muno bakurawa no muwakiro ya Cliff Ombeta
Wonte getuko bateri tukoria rero gwicisa bitkoria igoro gotuko kinsa chiasa ine ya gotuko ekero nari ngebuona baskari bakete barange 25 bagaita bakambwata bakangirige police station ya Nyamira bakachinsa isano isato gose sanane chiabono mambia ekero bambwatuka na isababu yo kombwata ekero nababoria ibante bingadi tukoria igoro na chietadi sironga asa abana bari ko graduate beach college cheto edindegerenga kwana mangana yoko tema kureta bagusiamo ngakwana mangana yogo sugumo morayi to Fred Kengo Matiang'i mutwe ngekina kiki abagechetie esa udina tebetenga Fred Kengo Matiang'i nere ubutuko president yeto ekero naba bori nkibako bwatera udite yontebya ibante binga baitwe instructions kuruguro bambwate edindegere ntige kubanga amandamano ayiri kubyarero na inchi abantu baminto mandamano anditayo nabantu naba Kenya bono iga asibaikire muntu nditayo oraba banga amandamano aba Kenya baamwire bono iga asibaikire ngaguchimotuga iga egento kiraba konye no gosoka edindegere kwirwanira na kie cyuri tukoria rero aba Kenya asibare baisokire edindegere kwinyora abana bari baitetwe asemya kerere ya etire na inche kintage tokote abantu bamito bagusiye ese igibuneye erororo gotusiarero bwoba intwe buna bagusiye abantu baminto mu maete intuntu anya wake rumatitiri na ende tuamuire kwa kauri moja gwansira litukoria rero ese igiye rikonye tubegete korange serikali ye yo mu sikoyo William Ruto ya rurororo ngochitore komento mukia mara kabere mara gatatu erinde korange serikali ya rurororo kiagera ne serikali ya chankindira aba Kenya.
If actually, and this is a fact, if Mheshimiwa Kemosi had done anything wrong, do you think they could have released it? No. Today he would be in court. Today he would be facing charges. But why? Because today there is some intended mandamano and all that they think that maybe he may, and this is an imagination, that he might be able to mobilize people or do such a thing. But even in arresting him and putting him in custody with no exact charges or any wrong that he has done, the people knew. The people went to the station. The people were there overnight. They were saying, please release Mheshimiwa or tell us what wrong he has done.
Maandamano tukiamua kupanga ndani atasimama. Hata sasa naona maskari wanasimama wanaendelea kuzunguka hapa town. Hakuna maandamano sasa. Awache hiyo siasa ya kusema chairman wetu wa Jubilee akamatwe na atatoka kwa sababu anachua Kemosi chairman wetu wa Jubilee ana support Matiang'i. Pia tena ana support party yetu ya Jubilee. Hiyo ndio visingisio wanamwekea wanataka kukamata yeye akwe muoga. Chairman, don't be a coward. Don't be a coward. Simama imara. Simama imara. Hii ni timu yetu ya Jubilee.